Former Premier of KZN, Mr. Willis Mchunu, has resigned from the African National Congress. He was a former chairperson of the SACP, former MEC of the Department of Transport in KZN, and then Premier. He was succeeded by Usihle Zikalala. Mr. Mchunu is a very strong ally of former President Jacob Zuma. I think it's no secret that Mr. Willis Mchunu did not like the GNU. I remember there was a statement that was circulating on social media where he cites his concerns about the GNU, the ANC going to government with the DA, and here in KZN, the ANC going to government with the DA and IFP. I will just quote a few words from his statement. I quote, "I am no longer adding value to the ANC. I have discovered with horror that I have in fact lost hope in the African National Congress commitment and ability to pursue the national democratic revolution in the interest of the working class and poor in this current trajectory." Honestly, his statement was just to the ANC KZN Provincial Secretary. I'll take it. It is still Ubheki Mtolo. But he did not mention his next political home. Do you think he will be joining the MK party anytime soon? Please do share your thoughts down below.
Utambuya buya, utambuya buya, utambuya, utambuya buya, utambuya buya, utambuya buya.